Out you guys go. Be free! Run out! Out! Fly! Oh, you guys want water? Oh, you guys are thirsty. Okay. You guys want water? Yeah, they're nodding their heads. I'm gonna give them some water with this. Yeah, they're all following me. Just want some water. Alright, you guys really want some water? What the heck is that? Jeez, that's creeping me out. Should boss creep this. Really creeping me out. I better not drop this one. Yo, what is that? Oh, it's just a fly. Okay. If you guys want to drink, dump fast, and then clean water will come. Alright, guys thirsty. Okay, drink. You're good, you guys. Okay, let's go bring them the water. They must be thirsty. Okay, guys, come on. Guys, water. Guys, thirsty. Yeah, drink it. They're so beautiful. So they're cute. All the way in the back. Oh, they're cuties. And then we got these little ones right in here. The rooster and that little one, cute. And these are the silkies. They probably lay eggs or something. Yeah, they probably lay eggs a bunch of times. So that's the dog, annoying dog. It's the annoying dog right there. He just left the situation. And we're looking at the chickadees. Chickadees, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. So this one's Little Chirp. Little Chirp. That's Aura, the one I'm pointing at. That's Raven, and that's Marigold. I already showed you that. That's Shishi. That's Penelope. Because you can tell by her face. Look at that. So beautiful. Yeah, and that's it. And the other ones I showed you back there, that was the Silkies, Molly and Polly. Molly and Polly. And then that rooster, I think that was a rooster, yeah. It's a rooster. We have a chicken back here. So they're really cute. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love chickens. They're so cute. It's so cute. And it's my backyard. I have a big backyard. Yeah, I have a pretty big backyard. It's cloudy today. It's like we're in New Bedford, Massachusetts. Bye-bye, chickadees. Okay.